My philosophy of education. I would like to begin with a few different quotes that really touch my heart and I believe in. First one is by Don Miguel Ruiz off of the Four Agreements, that every human is an artist. The dream of your life is to make beautiful art. As a teacher, as an educator, as an adult, it's our responsibility to really help kids dream of the best life that they can have and help them reach those goals. Nelson Mandela says, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I come from a background where education was not important, and once I left school, I realized just how important education is, not just for me, but for my ability to help every other person in this world, including all of my beautiful students. And so there's a few things that I believe in that I will talk about. First is that every student and every person for that matter has amazing potential to just transform themselves, right? Every one of us has different strengths. We all have different abilities. And sometimes I think we tend to focus on the weaknesses more and try to bring those up. But really, what I believe in is that we need to see what the strengths are, what their abilities are. Sometimes reading is not their ability. Sometimes math is not. But they may have amazing communication skills that they can use to transform their lives into something amazing. And so, again, it's just seeing that potential in every single student and helping them see that potential, and sometimes helping their family see the potential. So, always reaching for the stars for them, right? High expectations for every student because they can reach them if we give them a hand. Every student needs a cheerleader. Sometimes the students that we teach, they don't have a cheerleader at home. And they've been down so much in their life that really we need to celebrate them for every positive thing that happens to them, because we may be their only cheerleader, and we need to help them understand how amazing they are. And again, going back to my first one, that they have amazing potential for their life. I believe that we need to help students see their future. The goal of education is really to prepare our kids to become successful citizens in the world and really prepare them for their future. And so we need to help them see what their future looks like, help them connect what we're doing here to their future. And this is where technology comes in. Oftentimes students come to our class believing that they're great at technology because they can navigate their phones or a few programs really well. But there's so much more than just your phone. And so we need to, one, teach them how to use technology responsibly, for good things, right? This includes their education, for their work, and help expose them to a variety of different things that they can use with technology, or things that they can do that will help them as they move on to their adult lives. Again, the goal is for our students to exit our system, transition out of high school successfully, and give them the skills that they need to feel empowered and go out there and conquer, right? And so technology is a piece of that. Technology is the world right now, and probably will become even greater in the future. And so preparing them and teaching them how to use it responsibly and exposing them to different things and letting them know that they can conquer is really the best way to integrate into my classroom, technology into my classroom.